Go ahead, tell me. Yeah, tell me what you just told me.
This woman keeps screaming.
And why was she screaming?
Because she keeps saying when I was 7, she keeps yelling, honking, yelling at the people. Don't blame it on the people. Blame it on the red light. She just keeps screaming and screaming and screaming. She keeps saying, come on, people, move it. I mean...
That's not nice.
I know, right?
All right. Just want to make sure.
Are you kidding me? This woman, I was 7.
I know, it's upsetting.
It's like Gen something. I don't know, but she was at, high school, not in college.
Oh, that's
she's
why.
graduation, something like that.
Oh, okay.
This woman was like,
I know.
come on, peoples, move it.
I know, people get angry when they drive. Just happens.
You're weird.
I guess so.